Welcome back, folks. Brand new day, brand new gains. Today I found an exquisite crypto project that I think has insane potential. I purchased about $600 worth of this AI crypto project today, and I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I want to show this one to you guys right here, right now. We're going to dive directly into my computer because today I have for you guys GameGPT, an AI-driven game builder. This is the first time that I've seen anything. I had to make sure my mic was on. GameGPT, powering the next 10,000 blockchain games with one token, the dual token, which is what I've got for you guys today. The dual token is what I purchased 100,000 tokens of today. Approved game integrations with over 150 million active users. I'm sure you guys have heard of some of these games here. Insane graphics on the website here. Evolving GameFi with our new AI engine. Seasoned team with 3 years of experience. They've got 75,000 registered users, 5,000 active players, and they're powering 10,000 games by dual token. You can wager on billion-dollar games or the latest Pepe AI game by staking the dual token. You guys can learn more all about this right here. There's a click button. Trusted by industry OGs. Now notice they say trusted. They're not partnered with these people, but Animoca Brands, CoinFund, DAO Maker. I'm sure you guys have heard of some of those. They have a LinkedIn page down here you guys could look at right here. He's got 3,000 followers, so it's an actual person. That's really good. You guys can check all that out, meet the team, and create your game. Check this out, guys. Down here, create your game. You give it a command. You give this thing a command, and it builds you a game. Look at that game. That's high-class game. Look at this game right here. That's cool. Very good graphics on that. And look how simple. Strategy game. Cartoon forest strategy game with playful creatures and whimsical trees. Wow, dude. Look at puzzle games, RPG games. They go pretty quick. Create your game in 3, 2, 1. I'm sure you guys have used ChatGPT before. This is GameGPT. It's just like ChatGPT, but you're supposed to be able to build yourself a game very, very quickly. And basically anybody can now build their own game, which I think is absolutely insane. When I was a kid, I wanted to build video games and it was mega, mega hard. Now you could just build a game just like that. I guess I will get to build my own games in my lifetime now because of what we're seeing right here. So this thing has some insane potential if it actually does this, because these games look amazing. Here's their BSC and their ETH contract address. Make sure you get the right address. There's a lot of fake addresses out here, guys. By the way, you're getting this on a major discount right now. I had 130,000 tokens I picked up, and I already unloaded 30,000 of the tokens. I'm holding 100,000 of them long term. Like long term, saying anywhere between 1 to 12 months, I would say. Maybe a little bit longer because we're in an 18-month bull market here. What I would do is I would do the Binance Smart Chain if you guys are going to do this, not the Ethereum because of the gas fee situation. Hit this contract address. You guys can pop this into here and take a look at this right here, and you actually get to see the real token. It'll show you the actual token. Now here's the problem I wanted to show you guys with this one, because this is in multiple places. You can buy this token on bybit, MEXC, or gate.io. You can get this on 3 different exchanges already. Now, however, if you don't want to get it on an exchange, you can get it with your MetaMask wallet on Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Here's my problem. There was only $8,000 worth of liquidity in, so when I was buying my tokens, I was taking like a 4% hit, like a 4% slippage hit. It's not a hidden buy and sell tax. I thought it was, and I was tweaked out about it. What is happening here? Is this the wrong token? Oh, okay, I see. There you go. It's because it was still too brand new. So yeah, guys, if you guys wanted to look at this, I mean, like, we are on a major dip here. Like, I guess it hasn't been on there that long, has it? But yeah, I mean, like, you guys are getting this like a 4x down from its all-time high here. According to here, it's a 10 million market cap. According to here, we're at an 852k market cap. Now, I always trust DEX tools before I trust CoinMarketCap, but assuming that CoinMarketCap was right, that would only be an 852 million market cap if this thing did a 1,000x, a whole 1,000x. If you guys look at that, like, that's not even a billion market cap, guys. I'm not saying it could do this. Do your own research. This could be very, very risky. I don't know. Like I said, I unloaded 30k tokens already because I continued to do my research after I bought some. I bought some on the dip, and then I was doing research while I was waiting, and it went up some. I did some research. I was like, I'm not as bullish as I'd like to be because of a couple factors, And if they change those factors, I'll add more tokens and I'll be more bullish. However, I think it's worth it to note that if this thing survives and actually does what it says it's doing, a game that can create GameGPT, a literally AI that can create games within seconds, a 1000x is not far-fetched for this thing to do, guys, and that is not even a 1 billion market cap. So is it a lottery ticket? Could you go on PancakeSwap and throw $50 in, and if it goes to zero, you won't miss 50? But if it does 1000x, you guys will have how many dollars is that? $50,000. You guys would have $50,000 if it does 1000x, and you only bought 50. So maybe research the project, see if you trust it enough to put $50 into it, because you know what I mean? Like, you can make some good money even with a very small amount of money. You don't have to dump your life savings into something like this, guys. My big thing here is that, like, I saw this first, and I did all my research. I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, 852K, that could do 1000x. I'm gonna put 1,000 down, and my 1,000 will turn into a million. I'll get a millionaire off of just this one token here. And then when I looked into Dex tools, I looked into here, 9.8 million market cap, and I was like, wait a minute, that's way higher than 852K. So if that's at least a 10, it's actually an 11x bigger. This is an 11x bigger, meaning the gains are much, much smaller, hypothetically speaking, because we're not even saying, like, we're saying if it stayed below a billion market cap, if this thing actually did really well, it would go over a billion market cap. But hello, we're actually living in a different age here in crypto. It's not like the old days where shit coins reached like 40-50 billion market caps anymore. So if this didn't work out good, it's not going to do all that. But could we still see 100x? Absolutely. I'm thinking 9, 8, where is it here? Time is 100x. It's still below a billion market cap, guys. So still with the same thought that it can go to a billion market cap, you're still looking at 100x on your money, and still saying, like, say you didn't put 50, say you put 100, you put double the money times the 100x, you're still getting 10 grand out of it. To me, I was going to put 1,000 in, and it was going to do 1,000x, and I was going to make $1 million. Now I'm like, okay, I've got 600 in, or right now it's actually worth like 63, but I bought about at $60, at 60 cents. So I bought $600 worth. Say it did 100x right there, still have 60 grand worth of ChainGPT or GameGPT. ChainGPT was the thing too. Remember ChainGPT when that came out? But yeah, anyway, guys, definitely look into this. We got 10,000 holders here. My concern when I looked into this, if you guys actually pulled out the contract here and looked at the holders, you would note that the top 10 holders, top 5 holders, sorry, the top 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, the top 7 holders have over 80% of the supply of tokens, well over 80%. And I was like, oh, no, that's bad, like really bad. But then when you look into it, you actually come to find out that these are exchanges and verified wallets, guys. So you guys look here that we've got Bybit's hot wallet right here. The 7% is Bybit's wallet. And then remember that Gate.io and MEXC also hold this token. And then we also have Uniswap and PancakeSwap that have liquidity pools on this token. And by the way, the top 13 wallets are all verified, meaning it's a wallet that isn't prone to dumping. So even if it was a person, it's probably a person within the project that's going to hold on to the project, believing in the long-term thesis that this thing can actually do it really well, and they have the control to get the project to do well. So see what I'm saying? So this top like 5 or 10 here isn't prone to dumping. The reason there's so much up here is because nobody's bought the project yet. All the tokens are sitting on the exchanges and sitting in the liquidity pools. As they get bought out of that, these top wallets will slowly, the accumulation, it'll slowly decrease as people accumulate their wallets in their bags, and then you'll have more holders spread out, and then you have a lot less tokens at the top. So the token allocation will be a lot safer. So to me, that was one of my biggest red flags here. I needed to show that to you guys. Be fully transparent with you guys. I'm trying to be honest here. But we do have a 57 dex score here. 5 for the liquidity pool. 5. Like I said, guys, I'm facing like 4% slippage here, getting in and out. Thank goodness I kind of made some money off that quick pump there from the 60, because it basically ate the 4% that I would have lost, because it pumped a decent percent from the bottom right there. But if you guys really were looking at like the long term, why does it keep doing that? My God. You know what I mean? Like, oh. But anyway, what is it? We're down like 75%, guys. Like I said, down almost 75% from the top of this bad boy. So do your own research. Look into it. Look at the website. Try to build a game with it. Play around with it. Look at the contract address if you want the holders. Like I said, do all of your own research on this bad boy, because you're getting a 75% discount if this thing survives, because it was just up there. It was just up there 4 days ago. You know what I mean? Like, essentially saying that if this thing rebounds, it goes 4x instantly. Meaning if you had $250 worth, you'll be instantly back at 1,000 again. You'll have 1,000 just for it to go back to its original level. But do be mindful that could be considered a 40 million market cap. It might be high for a shitty project that claims that they're an AI game builder. But if it's a real AI game builder, if they're actually going to build games and people could really build games, 40 million market cap is nothing, guys. It would be nothing. Like, literally, that would be nothing. So look at all the socials. Look at the X. 136,000 followers, and it's GameGPT by Prism. If you guys know Prism, I'm farming the Prism airdrop right now on Cosmos. I'm gonna get Prism tokens sent into me because I'm farming with their validator. I'm staked with their validator with my Cosmos right now, so I trust Prism. This is 136k followers, guys. Token launch on the 12th of January. So basically, guys, like, this thing is pretty popular. Prism's pretty popular. You got a lot of holders already, a lot of people following this. The sad part is these people are bag holders right now. The people that are in it, these holders, they're not just holders, they're bag holders. They're down money. Meaning when they get back up there, some of them are probably going to unload those bags again. Do keep that in mind. So it's not going to be a one shot to the moon type of scenario. But I do see some of the tokens that I recommend on here absolutely explode, like, basically overnight. So keep that in mind, that, you don't want to wait too long to maybe do your research and get an initial bag. That's why I got myself an initial bag. Obviously I've got $632 worth. I think that if it goes up to like 8 or 9, I'll probably unload another 20,000 more tokens. I'm going to just keep slowly taking the tokens off as it pumps, and then leave at least 500 on at the end of it all for the whole 100x. And of course, you're reevaluating your situation as you go along, as it pumps up or dumps down, and you're either adding to your position or subtracting to your position. Each time you do that, you reevaluate your situation to see, do I still want to hold this project? What's everybody saying on CoinMarketCap? What does the chart look like? The technicals, where's my support? Where's my resistance? Like, look at the Twitter. Are they still active on the Twitter? Are there developments? Is everything looking good? Is the website still up? Did they produce any games? Like, all that stuff matters. This is your money, guys. Be safe with your money. You know what I mean? Like, just because I said that it's a good project and to buy it, and I'm not even saying it's a good project. It's new. It's fairly new, and this is why I'm putting in so much criticism here. Because I hold 100,000 tokens does not mean I want you guys to go buy $600 worth of this because I have it. Because I've made a ton of money on a lot of coins, and I'm just reallocating profits from different coins into other coins and just generating this giant bag of crypto. If you want to look at my portfolio today, where are we at here? GameGPT, I'm only down here. Like, look at how many tokens I have bigger than it. You know what I mean? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 holdings larger than GameGPT. I put it down here. Actually, 11 because Paid Network is bigger too. So, yeah, take that what you will. It's on the bottom half of my spectrum in my portfolio because it just didn't pass all of my tests, my personal tests. And if you guys want to look, this is what I mean by personal tests. Look at the audits, guys. Look at the audits. Mintable, yes. They fixed this. This said that it was a honeypot. Earlier this morning, this said honeypot, yes. So what else is bad? They fixed some of the stuff. External call risk, whitelisted. Other risks, yes. Yeah. This said that it was a honeypot. It said yes this morning. So they fixed that. That was a contract disagreement that they had. So they're working on things actively. Like, I already saw an improvement with it. So do your own research. Check this project out. If you got value, smash that like button. And, I'll keep you guys posted. If you guys are in these projects with me, you're going to want to stay here with me so if I'm getting in, if I'm getting out, did I add to the position, it pumped today, what did I do, did I take profits? You guys want to know this stuff, and so you're not going to know that stuff unless you're right here with me. You don't have to join my Patreon for $5 if you guys don't want to. You can stick around right here, get the whole scoop right here, right now on the channel. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. Check out ChatGPT, bro. Check out ChatGPT.